We are making wild mushroom lasagna for our private chef clients. Here we are layering our famous tomato sauce on the bottom and then adding no boiled lasagna sheets. Now layering it with a mixture of our wild mushrooms plus some ricotta cheese and some other seasoning. We're going to keep on layering the wild mushroom with some herbs and garlic, some more no boiled lasagna. That's the key. The no boiled lasagna sheets bake really well. Top it off with marinara and the next layer. So about 3 layers: sauce, pasta, wild mushroom and cheese mixture. Sauce, pasta, wild mushroom and cheese mixture. We're going to top it off with the no boil sheets. Once we do that, we actually break them so we make sure that they're the container size. And you can do that with a bigger pan, a smaller pan, whatever you like. Top it off with some delicious organic mozzarella cheese and cook this in the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes until nice and bubbly.